Good morning, my name is Gary Bobileff. I'm from San Diego, and my job is I am chief judge here, and we are at Concorso Italiano. This year we are 2023, and it's continuing on every year, has been for approaching 30 years now. And the unique part about this particular show is that it covers anything that's Italian cars. That's really our thrust. We don't deal that much in German cars or any of the other cars that are here, but Italians, whether it's Ferrari, Lamborghini, Maserati, Bizzarini, all the other Fiat, Alfa, Lancia, anything Italian, that's really the specialty. So because of that, the way this show works, which is very different than other shows, these clubs represent all the various makes of cars. So as an example, we're in the Lamborghini section right now. With all the Lamborghini cars here, the Lamborghini judges are judging their particular grouping of cars. They're expert judges. They then turn the results into me, being chief judge of the event, so I will get the results of first, second, and third place car. The first place car at the very end of the show at this point, from Lamborghini, from Ferrari, from all the others, will be handed awards. They will all go into a winner's circle, and then myself and a couple of other fellows are going to accompany me, and we will pick best of show out of all the first place cars that are there from the different marks. And that's how this show works, which is different than many other shows, but has worked very successfully in the past and will continue to do so, hopefully into the future. This year we're fortunate because our weather, we're overcast in the morning. It's not brutally hot, even so hopefully it'll break. So when the sunshine comes in, the cars really look gorgeous and better than flat light like what we have now. But, it keeps it nice and cool, so we're all feeling fresh.
Yellow to match the color of the car that this beautiful woman brought today. And this goes with the gift with Ferrari colors. Oh, so here you are. Thank you.
And when he was